just started year 12 and I was studying, well, I was doing my basic English and everything at the time. I was doing maths at that point in time as well, and I was doing my Cert 2 in agriculture. Well, I knew Tony White Group was a big group of people, and I've always had the interest in mechanics and tinkering around with cars and things like that, so I went for it, and that was a real eye-opening moment, really, like getting into such a big industry and vast industry, like being able to witness anything that happened. Like, I know, like, as an apprentice, you start from the bottom, you work your way up. That's just how it goes, sort of thing. But like, on my behalf, like, just being able to work with such a variety of anything really was an amazing experience.
Tony White Automotive Dealership Group with over 56 dealers, right from far north Queensland right down to the home state of Tasmania. He's about 2,500 people nationally, and he's one of Australia's largest privately owned automotive group.
Well, with the Tony White Group, working with the hybrid vehicle in the new energy sector has really been a game changer for the apprentices, because there's additional incentives for them to undertake some of the new energy training. So the commitment is that they undertake this training at their TAFE training and internal training as well from the company that they also provide. And that has been a real game changer for the apprentices to have that additional support financially and also the professional side of it within the group.
We have a multitude of support mechanisms in place in order to ensure somebody gets through their apprenticeship, but not only gets through their apprenticeship, thrives in the workplace and actually wants to be there every day and doesn't feel hindered by any barriers that might be coming into their way. So we have the MAS Connects application. The MAS Connects application is essentially a tool that all apprentices on the MAS network can access. They can get access to it via multitudes of ways. You can download it on your Apple Store or your Google Store, whatever software you're using, and that'll give you access to apprentice mentors. It'll also give you access to tools that will assist you in getting through your apprenticeship. It'll also access MAS Allied Health as well. MAS Allied Health is a division of MAS where we have a group of qualified allied health practitioners in order to support you in getting through your apprenticeship and traineeship. It's a real point of difference for MAS. It's something where we believe very passionately about. It's something that can ensure that you're going to complete, and that's our main goal here.
Apprentice programs are critical for our industry to future-proof us. MAS has been great in regards to our apprenticeship registrations and check-ins with our apprentices, past and present. Their operation is, it's second to none. I've worked with other apprentice providers before, and it's, hands down the best organisation that I've had experience with in that space.
One of the things that Tony White Group and MAS have done over the years is that we've had an employee recognition program in place, and that's something that has been quite successful, and not just with this organisation in partnership, but with other organisations as well, and that's recognising apprentices and trainees for excellence in industry, not just done internally from their perspective as an organisation, which they do actively, but also then on the stages that are available to them. So we've got the Tasmanian Training Awards, which is something that these groups can access and support and promote apprenticeships and traineeships. Also, they have their own industry forums, as well as the national stage as well, to which Tony White Group has actively participated in.
There's so much opportunity within the Tony White Group to evolve and go further. Like, there's so much that you can learn. There's lots of opportunity to be able to progress through anything you would really dream of within the automotive industry, especially within Tony White.